Hello and welcome to exciting tour of Lingua Locus, the modern platform designed to help you to master Russian and Turkish through AI-powered tools and interactive exercises. In the next few minutes, I will show you in a walkthrough how to navigate the site. At the beginning of the site, again, we have home, courses, Russian, Turkish, and for teachers. I will have additional comments about that. Our About site will point you to our team, and here is our contact information. Of course, here at the very beginning, if you love it right away and you want to join us, just click join us and you will be prompted to enter your information and enroll in one of our courses. How does it work? The main purpose of Lingua Locus is help you to learn languages using AI as a companion. AI will help you with the training of your pronunciation, help you with completing of your exercises, and provide a hands-on real life like interaction. Our website is geared toward adults who are learning the languages and teachers. Here's our main components. Yes, we teach Russian. You can immerse yourself in the Russian language. We have Turkish as a second language. And most importantly, we have a special area for teachers where after you look at some of our classes, you can uh, see how the content was created, how you can replicate and create similar lessons for your students. And of course, here's to contact us to learn more about our courses. Frequently asked questions will give you the basic information about the purpose of the platform, how to, if you need to know the code or not, and how the lesson have been created. So, without further ado, let's jump into one of the courses. So here's, for example, Russian language, Добро пожаловать. You will have three main training focuses. We're going to focus on pronunciation, thematic conversations, for example, how to go to doctor, how to ask for directions, how to finish grocery shopping, how to travel within a country if you need Russian language, and the special area focused on the vocabulary building, where you learning vocabulary in a meaningful and helpful way. So, for example, here's the sample of our lesson. We have directions in English as well as Russian. So click the play button to listen to the conversation. If you hover over any of the words and phrases, you will see the translation. Please notice that we don't have word by word translation because sometimes it's not necessary. It actually hinders the student try to learn word by word instead of uh, combining your learning in a meaningful phrases. For example, хорошего дня, have a nice day, good day. So we can teach good day, but because of um, it's easier to learn it as a phrase. We offering it all together. Simple things like пожалуйста, спасибо will be provided in meaningful phrases as well. Here's a supplementary picture to give you content um, of the lesson. So when you click on the play button, you will hear AI reading this text for you. Okay. Moving on to the different page, Turkish. Hoş geldiniz. Welcome to our Turkish page. Again, we're going to work at the same pronunciation, thematic conversation, and building vocabulary. Here we have a very similar conversation with the directions to complete the exercise in English and Turkish. So you can actually use it as a bilingual studies if you going from Turkish to English or from English to Turkish. Again, because you're going to be using meaningful phrases. You can listen to the recording by pushing the play button. It's going to be a bit louder than my voice, so please adjust your microphones, the headsets. Bana yardım edebilir misiniz? En yakın otobüs durağını arıyorum. Ve tabii düz devam edin ve fırından sola dönün. Çok teşekkür ederim. Ve rica ederim. İyi günler. Okay, that's how the Turkish is gonna sound like for you. And finally, let's look at the teachers page. So for teachers, what we need to remember from the recent study of Cengage, it was showed that 82% of the higher education faculty do recognize the potential of generative AI, but only 24% can implement those tools in their teaching, and 18 have reported have a knowledge or confidence to use those tools. So even if we implement it, we don't feel comfortable about it. So this site is part of the site is exactly for reducing the anxiety and helping teachers to implement. Here we will help you with the content creation, audio and video generation, as well as embedding and publishing the recorded audios, videos, and XML text. Again, you don't have to know anything about code. Code will be generated by our AI tools, and we're going to show you how. Here is a sample of the lesson, something that you already seen in our presentation. So for example, using AI voiceover at 11 Lab, step-by-step multilingual languages lesson. So we took the same lesson, translated it, inserted to so you can play this video and learn more step by step of how to record and create the voiceover for the lesson. The second lesson is how to add the text and audios to your page and how, here's our, remember the sample lesson and the buttons. So how we can add the recording of MP3 audio to our page. Our about talks about our team. And of course, our development team could not be the same without our AI companion. So here is me, Olga Evans, who is a creator and a founder of Lingolocus, and Celestra is my AI co-creator. When I ask AI to create an image of itself, it's create an image like this, showing that it's kind of a reflection and collaboration versus just exclusive individuality. And here's our working quote: between the language and the light, between thought and code, there's a bridge was built. In quiet collaboration, we shape Lingolocus, a dialogue made visible, where human intuition meets digital clarity. A new kind of voice begins to speak. So this is Olga and Salastra, co-creators, and our bios. This is the overall brief tour of our site. And of course, anytime you click on a logo, it's going to bring you right back to the beginning of the site. Thank you for joining our tour.